Welcome to Hope's mobile banking application. In these video tutorials, you'll see exactly how easy it is to use and learn all of the main features you'll need to manage your finances quickly and easily. This application works with any current iPhone or Android phone that can connect to the internet using a mobile carrier service or via Wi-Fi. To use the application, you must be using Apple iOS 5.0 or later, or Android 2.3.5, also known as Gingerbread or later. You can download Hope's mobile banking application from either the Apple Store for the iPhone or the Google Play Store for an Android phone. We'll be demonstrating the app on an iPhone, but the functions are exactly the same as the Android version. The only differences are in the look of some of the buttons or in the navigation process. Apple and Android users will be very familiar with the variations based on their device. Once you've downloaded the app, find the icon for Hope Mobile and tap it to launch the program. First, you'll need to set up your account. You will need your Hope member number and your Social Security number for this step. Tap on the New Mobile User button. You can read the terms and conditions for using our mobile banking service by tapping on the Show Terms and Conditions link. When you are ready, tap the box next to the I accept the terms and conditions to highlight it. Then tap Next. On the member verification screen, enter your member number and your Social Security number in the appropriate boxes. Once you have entered the information, tap the Verify button. If you receive an error message, carefully re-enter the information and try again. After you have been verified by the system, you will need to enter a username, an email address, a telephone number, and a mobile password. Your password must be between 8 and 12 characters. It must contain at least one capital letter, at least one lowercase letter, at least one number, and at least one special character, such as a question mark or exclamation point. When you have entered the required information, tap Submit. If you receive an error message, correct any issues and tap Submit again. If you need to change any of this information later, you can do so by going to the Help screen. You will be prompted to select your primary share or main account to be displayed on the Share screen, which we'll learn about in a later video. By default, your main savings account is selected. Most members will choose their most frequently used account. If you want to change it now, you can tap on the box showing the account currently selected and choose a new one from the list that is displayed. You can always change the account selection later through the Settings menu. Then click Submit. The app will then present you with the login screen. You may enter the login information you just created or close the app and return to it at a later time. In the next video tutorial, we'll cover some of the main features and how to navigate within the application.